Your website headline is making the worst first impression for your business. You have seconds to grab attention, and unfortunately, a lot of wellness websites start with really generic fluff. So in this video, I'm going to give you 3 ways to improve your homepage headline. First thing I want you to fix is speaking to their pain point directly. So instead of, just welcome to XYZ Wellness, we want to say something like, are you still tired after 8 hours of sleep? Speak to their pain point. What are they struggling with? Because they are not just stumbling upon your website for fun. They are looking for help and they want to make sure you can actually help their problem. Second thing you can fix is adding specifics to your headline. So instead of just, I help women feel better, I help you feel healthier. What does that mean? You could be any number of things. You could be a yoga teacher, a Pilates instructor, you could be a dietitian, a nutritionist, you could be a lot of things. We want to be specific. So I help high achieving women with burnout and hormones. I help you heal your gut so that you, whatever. Add specifics. The third thing you can fix is adding something that builds trust. So instead of just holistic health coaching, which again, very broad, no specifics, no talking about a pain point, we want to add something that tells people you are the solution, not just another option out there. So you could say something like evidence-based support from a registered dietitian, or something along those lines that says, hey, I'm the expert and here's why you should trust me. You don't have to go into that explanation. That can be on your about page, but just a little tagline, a few words that shows people, oh, she is the real deal. You may not be able to add all of these into a succinct headline that doesn't take like a whole minute to read. I usually try to have that big headline on your homepage be around 5 to 8 words. It doesn't have to be a complete sentence. It can be a phrase or even a few phrases. But think about how you can talk about or mention either pain points, the specific demographic or niche that you serve, or something that builds trust. And bonus point, this actually needs to be on almost every page of your website, specifically those sales pages as well. I would love to hear what your homepage headline is right now, or if you've already got an idea of how to change it, let me know. Show me the before and after down in the comments. If you have questions, feel free to leave that below, and I will see y'all in the next video.